Get ready for some excitement and get ready for some fun. Kids Can Cook is coming at you, it's great for everyone. We're gonna cook up some delicious food that tastes good and is healthy too. Yummy and nutritious and of course delicious. Kids Can Cook, yeah, whoa. Kids Can Cook, get ready for the show.
All right, everyone, welcome back. It's Chef D, and today we're going to be making fried mozzarella sticks. All right, so let's go over our ingredients, shall we? We have Italian breadcrumbs. We have 3 beaten eggs, flour, cornstarch, garlic salt, and of course, mozzarella sticks. Oh yeah. Now, we talked about the breading method before. Let's go over it again. What we're gonna do now is we're going to combine our garlic salt with our Italian breadcrumbs and give that a stir. Then we're gonna take the cornstarch and we're gonna combine it with our flour. You're gonna need that because mozzarella sticks are a little tricky. You want to make sure that you have them well coated. Give that a stir. And let's get to work. With the breading method, you are going to take a mozzarella stick and you're going to roll it in that flour and cornstarch mixture. It's very important that you get it as coated as humanly possible. You ever been into breadsticks and the breading just slides off? That's because it wasn't coated very well. All right? Now we're gonna dip it inside of our egg wash. And finally, we're gonna put that inside of our Italian breadcrumbs. Now, typically what I would do is I would take this and I would put it in our grease. But because cheese sticks fry so fast, I want to make sure that I put all of these in roughly around the same time. So I'm going to start mounting them up over here on the side. Let's make up some more. Once you have a few sticks made up, you can go ahead and put them inside of your grease. And after a few short minutes, it's time to pull these bad boys out already. And here you are, fresh mozzarella sticks.
Get ready for some excitement and get ready for some fun. Kids Can Cook is coming at you, it's great for everyone. We're gonna cook up some delicious food that tastes good and is healthy too. Yummy and nutritious and of course delicious. Kids Can Cook, yeah, whoa. Kids Can Cook, get ready for the show.
If you're in the market for something new and exciting to watch as a family, then we've got just the thing for you. The Kids Can Cook Show. As the name suggests, it features children preparing different delicious dishes. Come along with me as I pair off with a new student each week, where we cook a new recipe together. The recipes constitute fresh ideas and out-of-the-box approaches to preparing meals, and our goal is to build children's creativity. Additionally, the weekly episodes will not only be educational for children, but there'll be lots of fun for the whole family too. Kids watching the show get to enjoy a good time while learning new skills and gaining new knowledge. Make sure you check out our website, kidscancook.org, and follow us on all of our social media handles to find out where you can catch our show. You definitely...
Get ready for some excitement and get ready for some fun. Kids Can Cook is coming at you, it's great for everyone. We're gonna cook up some delicious food that tastes good and is healthy too. Yummy and nutritious and of course delicious. Kids Can Cook, yeah, whoa. Kids Can Cook, get ready for the show.
All right, guys, here we are. Today we are making two different recipes, same ingredients for the most part. We are making fajitas or shrimp tacos, however you want to play it. And we are doing a vegetarian version, and we are doing one with shrimp, okay? So our ingredients are a fajita mix, green peppers, red peppers, and onions, shrimp, oh yeah, minced garlic. We have fajita seasoning and taco seasoning, salt and pepper, and some olive oil. I'm gonna start with our olive oil. I'm gonna drizzle that all across here because we're gonna have two different sections going on. Nice and hot already and ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna put our shrimp here on this side. And then I'm gonna put our fajita mix over here on this side. Put some minced garlic over here and some minced garlic over here. A little bit of salt and pepper. Yes, season your vegetables too. People don't like to give vegetables love for some reason. No love. Pepper. Then we have our fajita seasoning. And our taco seasoning. I like to put both. Hit it with the double, hit it with the wham bam. All right, so we have all of our ingredients inside this pan. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna manage my area very well. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna saute those vegetables up real nice. Keep them over here in their zone. I'm in my zone, I'm in my zone, I'm in my zone. All right. Fajita mix, ooh, kill 'em. Kill 'em, ooh, kill 'em. All right, now once you finish kind of sauteing that up, I'm gonna lay it out. I'm gonna make sure it gets nice and cooked. All right, and then we're gonna come over here. I'm gonna do the same thing over here on my shrimp side. Spread these bad boys out. Don't forget you have that garlic you want to get mixed up in there real good. Real good, real good. Oh my God, I wish you could smell this, all right? We're working on smell-o-vision, so stay tuned, all right? We're working on that for you guys. This smells amazing. All right, we're gonna let that go for a little bit. Now what I have here already, I have 2 sets of tortilla. We have some salsa and we have some cheese, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a vegetarian version on one side. So you're gonna get your fajita mix, your red pepper, your green pepper, your onion with some cheese and some salsa. And then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna do the same thing over, but we're gonna put shrimp in it. It's gonna taste amazing. Actually, let's start with our vegetarian version. While the shrimp continue to cook, our vegetables are ready. Oh man, look at that. Cheese on there. A little bit of salsa. All right. Let's make another one. Don't be afraid. The vegetarians are very happy right now. I know I am. I could eat this straight up too. And trust me, I love meat. But in case you don't like meat, there you go. For the non-meat eaters. Now that I've already taken care of my vegetarians, I'm gonna mix all this together. All right, here we go. All right, so this one right here, we're gonna make cheese and salsa optional. There you go. The little cheese. There you go.